Everybody, welcome to Bobby Builds It, where today I might burn the house down. Oh yeah, this is just for amusement. This is not a how-to video. Don't go doing this at home. I don't even know how it's going to work out. Today is Thursday. We had an ice storm last Saturday. This part of the house just doesn't get much shade. Doesn't get much sunlight. And it's still like half an inch thick in some places. It's getting slicker. We got snow coming in this weekend. I'm going to try to get rid of it without destroying anything like my phone or my grill or anything else. Got the Flame King. Let's see how it goes. So I ran it for a little bit. Really just wasn't comfortable doing it, especially when I got up closer to the house. It was kind of slow, and then I still got some slush there. Just have to be careful. Hopefully it warms up enough tomorrow to take care of all this, and we'll be through with it.